Hello, class, and welcome to Module 4. And so, Module 4, we're going to introduce REST APIs, get into another tool, Maven, and have a couple assignments this week. I just want to give you a brief overview. Like I said, we'll be going over REST APIs, and you can go to Red Hat. I mean, there's plenty of resources, in the required reading as well. But a REST API, application programming interface. I'll give you an example. I do e-commerce websites, and right now we're building an app for iPhone and for Droid, of course, where we can access our e-commerce web platform, and through that e-commerce or through the mobile app is actually going to connect to the web application through an API. So we built some APIs, and you'll go over the commands, and we're doing those commands right now. Actually, we're working on coupon codes, and so you can enter a coupon code, and you can post a new coupon code, or delete it or modify it. So anyway, we're using those REST transfer representational state transfer, and so you're going to either be checking the state of an object or changing that state. Like I said, either doing a get or a post or possibly a delete. Being on the infrastructure side actually enabled the that application to be able to do a delete, and then of course put firewalls around that. But it there's, like I said, there's required readings, but to get the concept a little bit deeper, you can go and check out YouTube, and there's plenty of videos on it. The other tool we'll be going into is Maven, which is like a project management tool. And so you'll be able to download Maven and use it. And like I said, we talked about tools before. The better experience you have with all these tools, the better off you're going to be as you go through your career. There's going to be more and more tools come along, and even in the shop you work in, people will use different tools. Some people use Notepad, some people use Notepad++, others will use VI Editor, and so there's no requirement usually when you go to shop what tools you're going to use. And so let's see, module plans. So we're going to use Maven. It'll be module 4 assignment, and then there'll be a discussion post this week, and then also a journal entry. And then you'll just review for project 2, look at the requirements, and you can start working on project 2. The required resources, like I said, there'll be plenty of reading this week. The hands-on patterns in Java, chapter 6 and 7, go over computer programming languages, the web page, what is REST, and then a little bit deeper reading into RESTful APIs, and and then the drop wizard getting started for using Maven. So that's one of the practice things, is using Maven. And then there's the assignment. Like I said again, make sure that you're going to your rubrics and getting both the assignment guidelines, and then going down and making sure your rubrics. If you notice when I'm grading, I'm going right over what is in the rubric, and that's per SNHU policy, that's how they want the grades to be completed. So all your courses should be that way. And then like I said, we'll go over REST APIs, and there'll be for your journal guidelines and rubric. And so make sure you're following those. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Like I said before, my email is always up. And project 2, this week they just want you to review the requirements and prepare for next week. So you won't actually submit it this week. Like I said, my email's always open, so feel free to contact me, and have a great week, and make sure you're getting your assignments in.